Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to work with not, which is one of the conditions. Now in the last tutorial we have used and or, and we said that we will always use it in combination with where. Now the same thing with not, so you will always say where not and for example telephone equals specific number. So this is kind of theoretical approach. Let's first see with what we are working with here, because this is a new terminal, new day. Right, so here's the thing, we will use not every time when we need to disregard something. So let's disregard John but with using telephone number. So this is what you will type: select all to grab everything from friends where not telephone equals that specific entry 111333. Now some people will say, oh, that's so weird, I mean first where and then not. Well, normal thing in English will be like where telephone is not that specific number, but this is MySQL, you know, this is like a software, so this is not native English, this is not normal human language. It is close to human language, but still this is IT stuff. So just remember uppercases and you will combine them, and left side is where and right side is not. So let's issue this command, and there you go. Is there John here by that specific number? No, so everything is fine. Now can you combine a couple of these nots? Well, sure, and then you will combine that with and or with or. So let me just explain. Select everything again from friends where, for example, not let's say name equals Anastasia, and now you will need to type not again. So every time when you're using or not or and not, you must say not after that, because you will get a different result if you just state and here. So you must combine and not, okay? Don't forget that. I mean, maybe you will forget that, probably will, but you know, just for reference. And not, for example, last name is Gates equals Gates. Okay, and now we need to get everything except Anastasia's, and there is two Anastasia's here, okay, position 2 and 17 with different last names. So we will disregard that, and we will disregard all persons with Gates as a surname. So let's see what's up, and there you go, there is no Anastasia, there is no Gateses. Right, now see here we have used select all from, but we can also state couple of columns individually, like select ID and for example name, just name, and last name or telephone. Okay, from, don't forget that, from friends where let's say last name not, sorry, I forget not, where not last name equals, let me see, I don't know, Fox. Let's disregard Samantha and get everyone else, which is too bad. Right, so there you go. Now we have everything except Samantha and only specific columns. So very simple stuff. You know, if you're confused, maybe you are, maybe not, just practice here with one column and then use, you know, one thing with just one not, and over time, you know, tomorrow or a couple of hours later, just go into this tutorial refreshed and then combine a couple of these ands and ors and so on. So normally you will get a different result. For example, if you wanna use or, so let me type that here. Now what will happen if I say or? See, we have pretty much got everything. So where not will always be used in combination with and. because when you say or, there is a great chance that you will interchange a couple of things, that you will mix things, so you'll get wrong results. You know, in most cases you will be pretty much happy with and in combination with not. So just remember that. Anyway, yeah, 5 minutes tutorial, pretty much longer than I thought about this simple not, but as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.